Last day for the Black Friday deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, the ones that say the big tag, the big paper on the front like this, that deal is over today. So you guys better head on to your Lowe's if you're gonna be shopping for those deals. Otherwise, everything else should be good for about a month or so. So let's check it out. We got the 3 locking pliers. It was a nice deal. This is a really good deal too. $19.98 for the 20-piece screwdriver set. It does include the precision screwdriver, the bottle opener, and some offset screwdrivers. I really like this kit. I still haven't picked it up. But I will pick it up soon. Hopefully by the end of the holiday season here. You got $24.98 for the this is a kit I picked up because I needed some pliers. This is a very complete kit. It is on the smaller side, but still great tools. $24.98 for the 3-piece high visibility leverage pliers. And then we got these. These are very interesting, very different. We got a needle nose 8-inch and some flip pliers 6-inch. So very different from your regular pliers, and you can, do some cutting with them too. You got a utility knife, a $5.98. That's a pretty good, very inexpensive price. Yes, guys, these are still the Black Friday deals. Today is the last day, so $159 is today is the last day for these deals. 11:30 is the last day. So make sure you guys get it if you're gonna get it. Otherwise, it's gonna go back to $199. Alright, so $14.98. You got a 2-pack of utility knives. And then you get some replacement blades. So not too bad for $14. Let's see what else. $14.98 for the 3-piece adjustable wrench set. This is a nice deal too. 1 3/8, 15/16, and 1 3/16. Alright, so this is a really good deal too. As you guys do see, it's kind of empty. Everybody took them. These are the adjustables, or groove joint pliers, not adjustables, groove joints. $14.98. This is a really nice deal too. This is a straight finish nailer. $149. This is a 16 gauge V20, so it is battery powered. And then you got the replacement nails here for $15.98. And then this one's on sale too. This is for the Black Friday. Like I said, it's gonna be over on the 30th. So $119 for the VersaStack. I personally don't like this one as much as the Cobalt. The Cobalt, I think it's a much better deal. This is good for a DIY, maybe prosumer. You're starting out, you need a budget there, but yeah, it's gonna go back up to $169 once the deal is over. We got the drawers there for $99. Those are the Craftsman Trade Stack. $19.98 for the tough build 18-ounce smooth face framing hammer. This is a really nice hammer, very different from the traditional. You got a rapid load head, 40 volt max, 127, down from 159. This is on clearance. This is the Gen 3, and this is the other one that's on clearance. This was 134. I personally am gonna wait for these to drop even lower because we've seen some crazy prices last year. We got the Cobalt trimmer and blower. So guys, make sure you guys take a look at your prices and your lows here, because they're gonna be dropping by the end of the year. They're gonna see some big drops on these. And then pretty much all the Cobalt stuff that's on clearance. And then you see these for $11.67. These are the pre-cut for the strings, for the weed eaters. Alright, so $99 for the Craftsman V20 13-inch cordless string trimmer. This is, I would say, I don't like this one. I think I like the Cobalt better. $99 for the 500 CFM brushless cordless leaf blower from Cobalt, 24 volts. There on the back, there's what they got one left. And then they got the Cobalt 40 volt blower, 3 amp hour, 127. So I will definitely go with this one. It's a much better deal because you're getting the battery and the charger. $199 for the Eagle 56 650 CFM leaf cordless leaf blower. This one does go away on the 30th, so today is the last day. 5837 Cobalt Edge trimmer, clearance $69.98. And then they got this for the grill. It's a nice set. 1224 down from 34. It's a grill 2-piece gift set. We got the power drum auger. I can't talk today. I'm just getting over a cold. That's why you guys hear me like this. So, yeah, this is. I believe you can put a drill on the back on this thing and just, power it with the drill or hand. Then they got the Craftsman V20 side by side here for the kids, for the kiddos. It is powered with Craftsman battery and charger. $129 for the 12-volt 5-tool combo kit. Does come with the speaker, Bluetooth speaker, oscillating tool. It looks like a light, impact driver, and drill driver. These are 12-volt tools. You got a circ saw for $49.98 and a 7 1/4 blade for $7.48. That's the circ saw there. And that's skill. That's not skill saw. Keep that in mind. Two different brands. You got drill driver or impact driver for $99. I think this is a really good deal. These are brushless tools. All Cobalts are brushless. You're getting some decent tools for the house or for even for prosumer. $379 for the Power Detect. This is top of the line impact driver and hammer drill with an 8 amp hour, a big battery, and a fast charger. You're getting yourself a free Power Detect tool, either an angle grinder, a circular saw, a reciprocating saw, or the big 8 amp hour battery with the 21700 cells. Definitely worth it in my opinion. I'll definitely go for something like this. The power is worth it. Trust me. So it's $379, and then you get a free tool here. You can select from that reciprocating saw, circular saw, and then they have the 8 amp hour battery at the top. So not bad. Pretty good deals on those. Same thing with this one. You buy any of the kits on the left, you get a free tool. You can get the brand new 18-gauge nailer or the impact wrench for $269, or the 3-tool combo kit, and get yourself a pair of 4 amp hour circular saw or reciprocating saw. That is the circular saw. It does come with the case. Got the 2 4s there to the right, valid at $140. Or you can buy that impact wrench, or you can get that reciprocating saw. Alright, so your choice here, same thing with the DeWalt. $99 your choice, or $59 for the Craftsman, that's brush tool. This is a good deal from this brad nailer. This is an 18-gauge brad nailer for $99. That's a really good deal. I believe Joe the 2 Guy, big shout out to Joe the 2 Guy. He already made a review on this one. He compared it to the Ryobi, and it seemed to be working good according to his videos. So make sure you guys check out his video. $199 for the 6-tool combo kit. These are mostly brush tools. I don't see any brushless at all. So these are good for the house. Great for the house. $149 2-tool combo kit. And then you got $399 for the 4-tool combo kit, and then 7-tool combo kit for $649. It does come with the rolling soft case or bag, however you want to call it. Does have some. Same thing with the Cobalts. You got buy one on the left, get a free tool. That $149 starter kit with 2 4s is a pretty good deal. You can select from the circular saw, the oscillating tool, the 100 reciprocating saw. It looks like an impact wrench, an angle grinder. So lots of good deals. And guys, I did see this for $129, but unfortunately, it's already that deal is already over. Some people probably stacked them, so I don't know if they stacked them or what happened. That's impact driver drill drive for $199, and then you got the 4-tool combo kit there at the bottom, and then that's the starter kit there for $149. Pretty good deals. Same thing with the Craftsman. Mostly brush tools. The only brush tool I would get from this section is the ratchet. I think that's worth it with that 4 amp hour battery. I know that's a big battery for that ratchet, but still pretty good deal on this kit. The ratchet by itself is worth more than that $99 price. So pretty good deals on that. Even if you get other tools from the Craftsman, they're still pretty good. $59 for the starter kits there. And this is the way it looks. We got the Pro Brand Challenge from DeWalt's. And then this is a really good deal too, guys. $199 will get you an impact driver, a drill driver, 2 batteries. This is Extreme Coat or DeWalt Extreme. And there's a kit down there at the bottom. There's a couple kits there at the bottom, almost sold out. You can get the choose from that circular saw. Looks like a oscillating tool. One-handed reciprocating saw. The 2 impact wrenches. You can choose from all those tools. Get one of those free. That's the impact wrench. Definitely choose the impact wrench. That's what I would choose, definitely. So, same thing with the DeWalt. The $199 2.5 amp hour starter kit, or the $299 impact drill driver, or 2 batteries. I believe those are power stack batteries. And you get yourself a free tool. That is the starter kit. That is the 5 amp hour starter kit. 5 amp hour battery. And I believe these deals are up until next year. So you don't have to rush in these deals. But the ones that have the big sign on the front, those are the ones that you have to get today. And same thing with this one. They're running the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the kits on the left, you can get the radio or the blower for free. I would definitely go for the radio. I think that's the best deal. And some of you were saying last time that you guys were able to hack it. I don't know if, like I said, I haven't tried it yet. So let us know your experiences down below in the description or the comment section of this video. If you got any of these deals, how did you like any of these deals? Did you hate any of these tools that you bought? Let us know down in the comment section. Also, if you did the hack, let us know how it went on your store. Alright, so $99 for the 5 amp hour battery, and then you got the buy one get one free. So you buy a 36 volt Metabo 4 amp hour starter kit, and you get yourself a free 36 volt tool. Remember, these are killer tools here, killer deals. That's the rear handle circular saw. That's the beast of the reciprocating saw. Lots of good deals with those 36 bolt tools. Then you got these on new lower prices, the triple hammer, and this is the 2-tool combo kit, which already sold out. $549 for the Bosch. It does come already with the rolling stand. This is a really nice deal. Really nice saw. Definitely check it out. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.